Hi, I'm Jess from Gradation Properties. Welcome to 26 Domain Road in Jan Juc. It's in a prime location offering a prime lifestyle. Just walking distance to the Jan Juc surf beach, restaurants and cafes. This home is character filled. Come with me now, let's take a look. This 4-bedroom family home boasts a flowing floor plan and central bathroom. Adding to its appeal, the home includes timber floorboards, spacious interiors and 2 expansive living rooms with large windows that take in the surrounds and established gardens. The dining and well-appointed kitchen is an informal family area and a place to gather in the heart of the home. It also offers a sun-drenched private established garden that is ideal for sunny days and entertaining. If you've been dreaming of a coastal lifestyle in the Jan Juc prime location, then this is the property for you. Please contact myself, Jess Nowson, or Paula Fowler for more details.